Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you've never come across one of our videos before, or if you haven't looked at the channel before, what we do here is post earwax removal videos. We post new ones every Tuesday and every Friday. So if you have any questions about the video that you go out to watch, then pop them into the comment section below, and that way then the most popular questions we can answer at the end of the week. So enjoy the video, and I shall see you at the end. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our latest earwax removal video. You can see that this patient has quite a occluded ear canal here with earwax. It looks quite soft in nature, so we're just going to use the microsuction to remove this today. You can see as we get a grip on this wax, some of it is getting sucked into the machine. You can see it's quite thick and sticky wax. Isn't always the easiest one to remove with microsuction, but to try and remove this with a Jobson horn would be really messy. It would just pull through the middle of it and it would cause all sorts of earwax to get stuck to the canal walls. If you are enjoying the video, guys, and you're not already subscribed to our channel on YouTube, then you can nip over to YouTube and go to Audiology Associates UK. There are lots of earwax removal videos on there for you to take a look at. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then ring the bell to get a notification every time we put a new video on. So still using the microsuction to loosen this wax off the canal wall. It is very sticky stuff. So as we're moving it from one canal wall, it's actually pressing and sticking to the opposing canal wall there. So very difficult to maneuver. Sometimes we'll put a little bit of olive oil in here just to reduce the tacky, sticky nature to the wax. The difficulty is you can see these fine hairs on the outer part of the ear canal there. If you put some olive oil in there now, it's just going to coat those fine hairs and really obscure your view, so it's not going to really help you very much. If you're watching this on Facebook, guys, then drop our page a like on Audiology Associates 1. There's new content going on to both YouTube and Facebook every week, so check both out, guys. It's definitely worth a look. So really trying to work this piece of wax out of the canal. It's an odd consistency because it's not quite solid enough to take out in one go, but not quite liquid enough either to get sucked into the machine. So it's a real halfway house, which is really difficult to remove, because you'll start to lift the wax and you think you've got a nice grip on it to come away, but because it's just that little bit sticky, it stretches out and you don't really get the, as you see there, you don't really get the good enough grip on the remainder of wax to take it out in one piece. So we maneuver this one larger piece now to the outer part of the ear canal. Really stuck in there though, just wedged. So just going to try and lift it and maneuver it out. We don't really want to use the Jobson horn unless it's a kind of a last resort on this, because it tends to just pull straight through the center of the wax, and then you end up with a groove in the middle and everything stuck to the canal walls on either side, which makes it a little bit more difficult to take away. See it slowly coming out of the canal. Okay, so we're gonna use the Jobson just to try and get this out. Can you see what I mean about pulling through and just making it really, it just squishes the wax everywhere it doesn't want to be and sticks all over the walls. It's a lot harder to remove usually with a Jobson. There you go. Okay, so we've got more wax sitting behind it. So the first thing we're going to do is unstick that from the ear canal wall. So just get a good suction grip and try and peel it away, because that rear section of wax, if you look, is much darker. So I think that's going to be a little bit more solid. So I'm hoping if I can unstick the wax from the entrance to the canal, there, you can just start to see the whole thing lifting and moving. Just show you again. Now, can you see it all moving there? Because we unstuck it first from the entrance, it means that we can then loosen the rear section, which is a lot harder to come out with it. So So just going to slow the video down so we can get a good look at the eardrum. So there we are. All looks lovely and healthy. Perfect. So this is what we removed, guys. You can see 2 large pieces of wax. You can see how dark it is in colour as well. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. And as always, guys, until the next time, take care.